Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Marine Sajjad from CID News Network, Islamabad. China approves first homegrown vaccine said to be 79.3% effective. Pakistan will purchase 1.2 million COVID-19 vaccine doses from China's Sinopharm. A minister said on Thursday the first official confirmation of a vaccine purchased by the South Asian country as it battles a second wave of infections. Chinese Pakistani agree on need to deepen cooperation. Pakistan and China on Thursday decided to deepen their cooperation and work together for peace and stability in the region. UAE announces public holiday on January 1st, 2021. Abu Dhabi, UAE, the first day of the new year, January 1st, 2021, will be a public holiday. All public and private sector employees will get a day off to mark the new year, says Human Resources Ministry. Sonia Shamroz becomes first ever woman to be appointed as KP District Police Chief. 2021 will be year of growth, says PM Imran Khan. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Friday said the new year will be a year of economic growth for Pakistan, adding that the country was already moving in the right direction with essential industries increasing output. USA Today is keeping track of the news surrounding COVID 19 as a pair of vaccines joined the US fight against a virus that has killed more than 340,000 Americans since the first reported in February. In UK, Boris Johnson has said that the UK will bounce back from COVID in 2021 despite a hard struggle ahead in the next couple of months. UK will bounce back from COVID despite struggle ahead in his New Year message. In India, farmers continue protest outside Delhi, say no question of withdrawing due demands. Senior farmers leader Gurnam Singh has said there is no question of withdrawing from the two issues, which are legal guarantee for minimum support price and repealing of the farm. In Italy, the second wave is now as deadly as the first. Italy returns to a complete lockdown during the Christmas season as a part of efforts to curb the spread of the coronavirus diseases.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.